There is nothing that compares to these classes because I always get to work with my hands, building stuff, wiring things. You're always doing something. These classes really do just feed right into each other one step at a time. And honestly, these are the funnest classes I've ever taken in my life.
We use real-world equipment from day one. So when you show up to class the very first day, you're getting a set of tools that are real-world tools that you're going to be using out in the field, and we start cranking on them right away. We start using them, we start applying them in electrical manners. We are doing more hands-on than ever. So we're getting students more prepared for the first day on the job. And so we're starting off with basic skills, and we're working our way through to what an electrician does, either in a residential, commercial, or an industrial setting.
KCC prepared me for actually all the jobs that I've had in the renewable field. They allowed me to get hands-on experience in their classrooms that actually followed into the field.
Like from the beginning to end, from the layouts to the solar panels to mounting them to commissioning them, wiring, like everything I learned here was out in the field.
KCC has made a great difference for me in terms of just even starting out. I've managed to move up pretty quickly. We have 3 tiers at my company. I'm already at the last tier, and I've only been there 3 years now. It definitely sets you apart for sure, just the knowledge base alone.
When I first accepted my job at Sunrun, I was still a student at KCC. That's the reason why I went to KCC, was to get a job to take care of my family, and I was offered a position as an electrical foreman for the top residential solar company in the United States. They're #1, and I was just ecstatic that KCC gave me the opportunity to do that.
We have a fair number of students who can now get into the industry because of our reputation. Right now, we're running at about 100% success rate off of students who finish our program. No matter what a person is looking to do, we can find a place for them. If they want to go become a residential electrician, we can help them. If they want to become a union electrician, we're a great starting path. We have a number of students here. They start out in the $80,000 range right out of the program in the electrical engineering technology program.
Our world is very electrical these days, more so than ever before. We're going to have electricity. It's such a natural part of our world, our existence. There's no way to avoid it. And everything that we ever branch into for any field, we're always going to have an electrical component to that. That translates into a constantly expanding field. There's no limit now.
KCC has supplied the foundation for me to build a better life for myself and my family, and have allowed me to broaden my knowledge of the field that I want to spend the rest of my life working in. So I owe a lot to KCC.
I would say at KCC, the professors treat you more as equals than as students. They make it really good to make you feel like you're on their level. So that sets them apart, I think. They have real-world experience, so they know what jobs they're looking for, what they want.
So being taught by people that have done this, have been out there, have had jobs in this field, it definitely makes me feel like I'm getting straight-on experience. They're telling me what I need to do and what I need to say and what I need to be able to get the job, follow the path, and achieve the goal I want to achieve. These guys have done that, so I definitely feel comfortable with them teaching me, and that's the biggest thing, is I feel comfortable being their student.
At some point it starts to seem like you're family here, and everybody here is connected. From the ground mounts you learn to the roof mounts to even just the background of solar and how long it's taken us to get to where we're at in the energy and the efficiency of the solar panels.
Everybody in this school wants to see you succeed, and everybody's willing to help you do that. So why not, open yourself up to be exposed to something like that?